Hello everyone, it's Cherissa. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is a couple of college days in my life, so let's get into it. My Monday morning class was canceled, so I decided to be productive and get a lot of my laundry done and get ahead on some assignments. I then started packing my bag for fall break. I'm not really sure what's been up with me. I typically have my bag packed a couple of days before my trip. After my afternoon class, I headed back to my dorm room, finished packing, enjoyed some dinner, and worked on some homework. Good morning everyone, happy Tuesday. Today I will be traveling home for fall break.
With the cancer.
There's a bag by your side. Is that just to train stuff post-surgery?
There were complications.
Every time I fly, there's always some issue. So today, my plane kept getting delayed and I was going to miss my connection in DC. Luckily, I was at the airport early so I could get on a flight 2 hours before I was supposed to leave. Hi, it's Cherissa. Just letting you know I'm home in Ohio. Yeah, it's cute. I like Ohio. And I'm currently laying on my floor doing sociology homework. So yay. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I thought it was going to be college week in my life, but like clearly I was only at school for like 1.5 days. So I don't know. So I might end this video here, and yeah, I can't hear out of this ear. It popped on the plane. Okay, we're done here. Time to study.